Hardness. Harish, do you have any idea about hardness? So hardness is a surface property. It is a surface property. It's a kind of strength only. It's kind of strength only. And then we can measure the hardness by using the three kind of machines like Brinell hardness, Vickers hardness, and then Rockwell hardness, Knoop hardness. Okay. So initially we can see about the Vickers hardness. Okay. But Brinell hardness it is used for to test the low kind of hardness materials. Okay, hardness materials. But Vickers hardness we can measure the both low hardness and high hardness materials like soft material and non-hard material. Okay. So for hard testing process, we can choose the brass and then mild steel, this kind of mild steels. Okay. So today we are going to test about the brass hardness testing process. Okay. So I am going to fix the material here, and then have to give a support by this lower end column. Okay. Initially, we have to give a 10 kg minor load. So due to that, we will be getting some kind of penetration on the top of the material. Okay. After that, we have to remove that 10 kg load, and then we have to give a 90 kg load from that using by this lever. Okay. So it will be given a load by you can change. Likewise, you can change. Using the round bar, and then for the soft material you have to give a 100 kg load, and then for the hard material like mild steel and cast iron and stainless steel you have to give a load up to 140 kg. But we having here the brass material. It's a kind of soft material, so we have to give a load 100 kg. Initially already we given a minor load out of 10 kg, but right now we have to give a 90 kg load. So I got set the load to 90 kg, and then again have to give a same pressure here, So after given the load, we have to wait for 10 seconds. For the soft material, you have to wait for 10 seconds. For hard material, you have to wait for the 15 seconds. Okay. So here is the two kind of scales available. Okay. There is two kind of scales available. One is the B scale reading, another is the C scale reading. So B scale reading is used for to measure the hardness for the hardened materials, and then C scale reading is used for to measure the hardness of the softened materials. Okay. So we having a soft material. The material is a brass material. So we have to measure the C scale reading here. So it will be like number will be available like 70, 60, and then 40. Like this, you will be getting the reading. So the result you have to enter the value as a 70 RC, 70 RB. Like what you getting the reading here. It may be 60 or 40, 70 according to hardness available. Okay. So it is a 70 RB. That means 70 Rockwell hardness for the softer material. Okay. It may be a hardened material. That means 70 Rockwell hardness for the hardened material. Okay. And initially you have to consider about the indenter. What we have indenter. So for the Rockwell hardness, we have one cone type indenter. The cone having 132° of angle between each faces. Okay. So we have to mention that notable that each angle also, and also we have to check the distance between the what we have in the angle between the both faces. Okay. And then we have scale here. We have one kind of column here. We have our basic material, and then we have a load ranges. Okay. The load ranges is usually available in type of kg. Okay. So kg that means kilogram force. Okay. So if you want to convert the kilogram force in Newton meters, you have to multiply the value the 9.81 with your applied force. It may be 90 kgf. That means you have to convert into Newton meters. You have to multiply that 9.81 to your applied. Okay. Thank you.